Welcome to the shop. I just installed an E3 V6 last weekend, I believe it was, on my Creality CR10 over there, and mainly because the old nozzle, which was this boy from, again, the CR10, was kind of burnt up. I got the, you can see that's the typical when you print a bunch. Was kind of burnt up and not looking so hot anymore, and I lost all the heat tape off, or the heat insulation off of it from a massive jam. And then I tried to go to a micro Swiss nozzle, the all I think, yeah, and it did not go well. It was an all metal nozzle. It went and replaced the innards here, so it really got rid of the Bowden tube setup from inside. So the Bowden was supposed to stop earlier. I had nothing but problems with it. It just didn't go well. I struggled a lot trying to get it to actually print, and it kept jamming. It was just actually a horrible experience. I never did get it figure out. I finally had to go back to the old nozzle, and once I went back to the old nozzle, I got everything printing again. I bought an E3 V6, but it sat around for weeks and weeks, probably over a month, and I finally installed it. I really liked it, but then I decided I wanted to start playing with some other nozzle types, so I went on and started hunting around, and I wanted to kind of have a good sampling of different nozzles, and I ended up going to their site and got the Pro Nozzle Pack, and it seemed like a good deal, and you end up getting 6 nozzles. It was like $60 or something, and that's a little case that it comes in with a wrench for the nozzle, obviously, and I ended up getting 2 brass, 2 stainless, and 2 hardened steel. The brass one, the smallest one, was, I don't remember what size they were. It was crazy small though. It was really tiny, like a 0.15 or something like that nozzle. I was trying to see if it had any markings on it. Of course not. But anyways, it was really tiny. I would try and show you, but there's no way you're going to see it. So yeah, I just wanted to get a couple of them. Well, there you go. Brass is a 0.15 and then there's a 0.8. That 0.8 is awesome. I wanted to try some big, fast prints. You probably aren't going to be able to see it, but big old fat hole in that one. That thing's going to lay out some serious plastic. But anyway, so we'll get to play with that one a little bit. And then I've got a bunch of geek boxes, you probably can see back there in the mess, that I wanted to print. There's some flexibles, a lot of abrasives, and so I wanted some hardened steel stuff. Then these were copper, it said, and then it's a 0.25 and a 0.4, which is pretty awesome. And then the last one was the hardened steel. There's a 0.4 and a 0.6. So that's awesome. So anyways, there you go. Pro Nozzle Pack, straight from E3 V6, or the E3D company, and nice little case. And along with it, of course, they gave a sticker. And I'm going to butcher this. Haribo. I've actually seen multiple people, like some versions of gummy bears of some sort. Yeah. There you go. Looks pretty good. I'll do some prints on them, and maybe I'll give you a shout out and see what I think of them. Not sure which one I'm going to try with first. maybe something big and do it like nice big. Maybe I'll do a 0.8 nozzle and do like a giant vase or something. That could be fun. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Hope it helped in case anybody was interested. It seems to be exactly what they claim it would be, and I have no idea if it's worth the money yet. I will let you know. Thank you much, and have a great day.